Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam VR error 451 on Quest 2 and Quest 3. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, click the Start menu or Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click on Settings to open your system configuration. This is where you'll adjust your network settings to resolve the connection issue between Steam VR and your Quest headset. Once Settings opens, click on Network and Internet. This section controls how your computer connects to networks and manages network profiles, which is crucial for VR streaming. In the left panel, click on Ethernet. This will show you the settings for your wired network connection, which Steam VR uses to communicate with your Quest device. Next, click on Network. This option allows you to view and modify the network profile your Ethernet connection is using. Here, you'll see different network types that determine how your PC shares data and connects to other devices. Now, click on Private. Switching your network to private mode is essential because it enables the proper communication protocols that Steam VR needs to detect and connect to your Quest headset. Public networks have restricted sharing settings that can block VR streaming, so making this change removes those barriers. After you've set your network to private, restart your PC. This ensures all the network changes take effect and gives Steam VR a fresh start to establish a proper connection with your Quest device. Once your computer reboots, try launching Steam VR again to see if the error is resolved. If you're still experiencing the error after restarting, there's one more setting to check. Click the Start menu or Windows icon in the bottom left again and open Settings. This time, click on System to access your display and graphics configurations. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. This menu controls advanced GPU features that can sometimes interfere with VR performance. Look for hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. This feature offloads certain graphics tasks to improve performance in some applications, but it can create conflicts with Steam VR's rendering process. Make sure this option is turned off or disabled. When it's enabled, it can cause communication errors between your graphics card and the VR runtime, which is exactly what's causing error 451. After disabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling, restart your PC one more time. This final restart applies the graphics changes and clears any cached settings that might still be causing the error. Once your system boots back up, your Steam VR should connect to your Quest 2 or Quest 3 without any issues. And that's how you fix Steam VR error 451. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.